Hello, and welcome to English Podcast for Beginners. I am Lovely, and I am so happy to share this time with you today. This is a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. Today, we are going to talk about something very important: thinking positive. We will talk about how your mind can change your day. It can change your life. This idea is powerful, but it is simple. So relax. Listen to the sound of my voice. We will take it slow, step by step. Try to stay with me until the very end, okay? Let's begin. The title of today's topic is Think Positive. Change your mind, change your life. Let's start with a big question. How do you feel right now? Maybe you feel tired. Maybe you feel excited. We all have many feelings. But sometimes bad feelings or negative thoughts stay in our minds. These thoughts are heavy. They make things feel difficult. Negative thinking is normal sometimes. For example, if you make a mistake while speaking English, your mind might say, "I am bad at this. I cannot learn." This is a negative thought. This thought makes you feel bad. It makes you want to stop. But we can choose a different path. We can choose positive thinking. What is positive thinking? It is finding the good thing, even in a small mistake. Let's use the same example. You make a mistake. The negative mind says, "I am bad." But the positive mind says, "I made a mistake, but I learned something new. I will try again. I am making progress." Do you feel the difference? The feeling of the words changes everything. The words change your motivation. It is like choosing the weather in your own mind. You can choose a gray, rainy day, or you can choose a bright, sunny day. Positive thinking helps you choose the sun. When you think positive, you are kinder to yourself. This is key. Be kind to yourself. Let's look at one practical way to be more positive. It is called reframing. To reframe means to look at a picture again, but with a new frame, a new perspective. If you say, "This grammar rule is too hard," you feel stuck. This is the negative frame. Now let's reframe it. Say instead, "This grammar rule is a challenge. It is hard today, but I am strong. I will try a little piece today and a little piece tomorrow." This is the positive frame. It opens a door. When we practice reframing, we train our mind. We train it to look for solutions, not problems. We teach our mind to be helpful, not hurtful. We choose optimism. Optimism is the belief that things will be good. Thinking positive does not mean you are happy all the time. No one is happy every minute. Positive thinking means that when something difficult happens, you choose to believe that you can handle it. You choose to believe that tomorrow will be better. This mindset is very powerful for language learning. When you learn English, you need confidence. Positive thinking gives you that confidence. Remember this simple action. Speak kindly to yourself. Say to yourself, "I can do this. I am learning every day. Use simple, strong words. These simple words make a huge change. They give you energy. If you start today just with this small choice to think more positively, you will begin to see changes. You will feel lighter. Your English learning will feel more fun. So, let's summarize the key idea. Thinking positive is a choice. We choose to be kinder to ourselves. We choose to use words that help us, like, I can try again. We practice reframing, looking at challenges as things we can manage, not things that stop us. This mental shift, this change in your mind, can truly change your experience. It can change your life. Thank you for spending this time with me, Lovely, on English Podcast for Beginners. If you take just one idea away today, let it be this. Be your own best friend. Encourage yourself. Your mind listens to your words. So use simple, useful, and positive English inside your head. Keep trying. Keep learning. And remember, you are doing a wonderful job. I am proud of you. We will talk again very soon. Until then, have a positive day. Goodbye for now.